Hello friends, Happy Mother's Day to all. This is Bhavna Joshi.
Hey guys, this is Astha, Bhavna's daughter. I wish you a very very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Friends, as you all know, आजकल लॉकडाउन चल रहा है और ऐसे में ही हम लोग मदर्स डे भी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो क्यों ना आज मदर्स डे को कुछ इंजॉय और रिफ्रेशमेंट से फुल किया जाए। इसीलिए मैं अपने साथ अपनी बेटी को लेकर आई हूँ और आज हम एक गेम खेलेंगे कि हाउ वेल डू वी नो ईच अदर, कि हम एक दूसरे को किस तरह जानते हैं। तो इस तरह आप भी अपने लॉकडाउन को इंटरटेनमेंट से फुल कर सकते हैं।
So guys, we have prepared a set of questions. हमने कुछ questions पहले से ही तैयार करे हुए हैं जो हमने एक दूसरे को दिखाए नहीं है। तो what we are going to do is like we'll ask each other some questions. हम एक दूसरे से questions पूछेंगे और सामने वाला उस question को आंसर करेगा और आप लोगों को शो करेगा। उस हिसाब से हम एक दूसरे को पॉइंट्स देते हुए जाएंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आज मदर्स डे है तो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हर ओनली। शी will ask me questions and I have to answer those questions.
No, first you ask because I'm mother. You have to make me.
So let's do one thing. एक क्वेश्चन आप पूछो, एक क्वेश्चन मैं पूछती हूँ, उससे दोनों का
Okay, first you.
Okay, so the first question should be easy one. Just tell me which is my favorite color. So you write the answer to the question in the notebook and show, and I'll speak. अगर वो सही हुआ तो you will get 1 point. And जो points हैं वो मेरा brother, he'll note those points out, and after the end of the game he'll declare the winner.
It may be because she always want this color dress.
So my favorite color is lavender, जो कि पर्पल का एक लाइट शेड रहता है।
But I write baby purple.
हाँ,
because you
मतलब
always-
it's like lavender is known as baby purple. So yeah, she gets 1 point.
Okay, thank you. I know you very well.
So now it's
Now
your
you
turn.
can ask me. Okay, I have to ask. Okay, now you have to tell me my favorite color.
Oh, that's really simple. Just tell the answer.
I always want to wear blue sarees.
It's right because she is like
she is right.
she always needs like her kurta should be blue in color, her sari should be blue in color. Okay, so the next question is like मेरा सबसे मतलब if I am like free तो मैं सबसे ज्यादा my guilty pleasure और मैं सबसे ज्यादा time pass कैसे करती हूँ?
You
Just-
always want to see.
Just write the word and then I'll tell the answer.
It may be क्योंकि हमारे घर में सबसे ज्यादा इसीलिए कभी कभी बहस हो जाती है।
तो मेरा फेवरेट पास टाइम लाइक इफ आई एम फ्री तो आई ऑलवेज लाइक बिंज वॉच के ड्रामाज, जो कोरियन ड्रामाज
Oh,
होते
I'm
हैं।
right. I'm right.
You will be right because I get scolded like 90% of the time. अगर मुझे डांट पिटती है so it is because of K dramas.
To watch Korean drama.
Yeah, I can literally binge watch Korean
much.
dramas for 24/7. So
That's
she
why
gets
I'm
2
the-
points. She's in lead.
Okay, now I'm
So
looking
now
that side. You
no,
can-
you ask me the question now.
Okay. Yeah, can you tell me which is my favorite movie?
That's also pretty simple. So, guys, it's a Sri Devi movie, and it's known as, you tell the name.
That is Sadma,
I am absolutely correct.
which shows true love.
So she's like literally she's connected with that movie. She has watched it like over 50 times, and she cries every single time after seeing that movie. So I get 1 point.
You both are equal.
So now my next question is, this can be a little tricky because like other youth, I am like a little different. Who is my favorite actress? मेरी favorite actress कौन है? Just think and answer.
Yesterday she was talking me about the true love about Dilip
Just like,
Kumar
right?
and Shaira Bano. It may be Shaira Bano is her favorite actress because whenever she always talk about Shaira Bano. It may be. You have to write your answer.
You have to write this answer.
Oh
but
my
like
God.
she is correct. My favorite actress is Shaira Bano. Like Shaira Bano is a woman. But she is a kind of person. She empowers. She like centralizes the women empowerment. She has love.
Yeah.
She has beauty. She has affection. And the plus thing is like she represents her beauty with like purity, and that's what I like about Shaira Bano. So she
Very
gets
nice.
3 points.
Good.
Now you have to ask me the
Yeah.
question.
Now, same question. Who is my favorite actress?
Like she likes the couple only, so I think she'll be her favorite actress. And it's like from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I hope this is the right answer. Answer the question.
Yeah. What? First, my favorite actress was Shri Devi, but now she is no more. Now these days, I'm fond of Kajol.
I'm right.
Both.
I know she'll know me very well because from my childhood only I'm a kind of kid who likes staying inside like four walls. मेरे को घर में रहना पसंद था. And she was the only person with whom I used to play. जिनके साथ मैं सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करती थी. तो we know each other pretty well. हाँ, after going मैं जब से कॉलेज गई हूँ, maybe there are some slight changes, but still I think,
मुश्किल आएगा.
but I think she knows me pretty good. Okay, now the next question for you is, in which year मैंने कौन से साल में अपना 10th पास आउट किया था?
Oh, very simple because I was your teacher also, and that was 2016
Yeah,
my
she's
10th
absolutely right.
and 2018 12th.
She's right. In 2016, I did my high school, or you can say 10th. But you have to write the answers.
Okay. That is 2016 my 10th and 2018 12th.
Okay, now your question.
Yeah. Who is my favorite actor?
Oh, I said she likes the couple only. So it's like, if Kajol is right, then her husband should always be right.
Yeah, Ajay Devgan.
The Singham
I'm fond
of
of his
India.
eyes and his action movies.
So now my question to you is, okay, now this can be a little clingy kind of question, but who is my celebrity crush? मेरा कौन सा celebrity है जिस पे मुझे crush है?
Before some time, she always told me, Mama, that was Charlie Puth. But now these days, she is always talks about कुछ Hitian या Hutian.
Just write the answer, don't tell.
Okay. First, Charlie Puth.
To the people
I think-
जो जानते नहीं है, who is Charlie Puth? Charlie Puth एक American singer है. He's a songwriter and a lyricist. And Hu Yitian, she's right. Hu Yitian is a Chinese actor. So I like Hu Yitian these days. And surprisingly, Hu Yitian का birthday और मेरी मम्मी का birthday एक ही दिन आता है.
Wow.
So now you have to ask me.
Yes. Now this is little bit tough because मदर्स को तो पता होता है बच्चों ने कब अपनी पढ़ाई करी. देखते हैं कि बच्चे को पता है कि मम्मा ने अपना पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कब किया. तो यू हैव टू टेल मी इन विच ईयर आई डिड माय पीजी.
मतलब
पोस्ट
MSc.
या एमएससी. माय एमएससी.
Okay, so it's also pretty simple. I know it.
नो आई हैव टू विन. मुझे लग रहा है ये मुझे जीतने नहीं देगी.
So she did her PG in the year 1996 and her UG in the year in 1994. So I know that.
I did my BSc in 1994 and MSc in 1996. She is right.
I know I'm right.
लग नहीं रहा है मैं जीत पाऊंगी.
Okay, so my question to you now, you have to write the answers.
Okay.
Okay, now this is really tough. Like every girl out there, सारी लड़कियां अपनी केयर करती हैं. तो मेरा वो बॉडी में कौन सा देयर इज मैं अपने फेस का, हेयर का, पैर का, हाथों का, नेल्स का, ऐसा कौन सा मेरा बॉडी पार्ट है जिसका मैं बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखती हूँ.
इसके लिए मुझे हमेशा सिर पर तेल डालना पड़ता है। एंड शी ऑलवेज वॉन्ट्स डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ऑयल, कभी ये बनाओ कभी वो बनाओ। तो इट मे बी योर हेयर, आई थिंक। वैसे हाथ वगैरह का भी बहुत ध्यान रखती है, लेकिन इट मे बी योर
She's
हेयर।
right. I'm obsessed with my hair. I'm like I really क्योंकि बचपन से ही my parents were like having my hair chop.
Because I have lost my hair because of
And
thyroid.
मेरे बाल बहुत छोटे रहे हैं बचपन से ही, so now when I'm growing them, I'm like literally obsessed with good hair.
Is right.
Now your question. So guys, I have not answered any question wrong अभी तक, and she has also not answered any question wrong.
Okay, मुझे जरा शुद्ध हिंदी में ये बताइए कि मेरा डर क्या है। मेरा डर क्या है, मैं किस चीज के लिए डरती हूँ?
आप हरी चीज से डरती हो? I think she is scared of losing a loved one. I think she is scared कि कोई मतलब कोई अपना जो करीबी है, she is scared of losing people. I think I'm not
हर किसी का होता है।
like I need to write it now. I can only say she's scared of losing loved ones. Maybe, I'm not sure.
Yeah, but I never want to lose my moral values also.
Okay, so I'll do
I want to be a good human being for all, for my kids, for my family members and for my students. अपने हर किसी के लिए मैं किसी की भी नजरों में नहीं गिरना चाहती हूँ। तो यही है कि कभी कोई भी ऐसी कंडीशन ना आए तो ठीक है, वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा आंसर है, बट इट मे बी हाफ हाफ।
Then let's take it like 0 only. I'm like an honest person. So now my question. आपने कठिन पूछा था तो मैं भी कठिन पूछूंगी. Okay, just tell me which is my favorite movie. मेरी favorite movie कौन सी है?
She always talk about hero, singer, but movie.
अच्छा, let me give you a hint. आपको पता है I don't watch Bollywood. मैं Bollywood बहुत कम देखती हूँ. It's either Korean or it's either I literally binge watch Tollywood also. But my favorite movie is from Hollywood.
Sorry,
Just write something.
no idea.
Okay, so she also loses 1 point. So my favorite movie is La La Land. जिसने देखी
मुझे तो कभी
होगी.
नाम भी नहीं सुनाई दिया।
तो my favorite movie is La La Land. आप में से किसी ने देखी होगी तो they all like relate to me. Everybody loves Sebastian. So my favorite movie is La La Land. Now your question. So out of 7, I have answered 6 correct, and she also out of 7 has answered 6 correct. Just number the question, ठीक है? So guys, there are 12 questions. 12 questions हैं, और उसमें से अभी हम दोनों का पॉइंट 6-6 चल रहा है, और ये 8th क्वेश्चन हम पूछेंगे.
When and where did I met with your papa? When and where I met your papa?
Okay, तो she is asking me कि मैं तुम्हारे पापा से पहली बार कहाँ मिली थी. To the people who know, they haven't done love marriage. इनकी लव मैरिज नहीं है, तो कहीं ऐसी पंडित के थ्रू या किसी रिश्तेदार के थ्रू ये लोग मिले होंगे. बट आई रिमेम्बर द प्लेस, क्योंकि मैं भी उसी जगह में आई हैव टेकन बर्थ इन इंदौर ओनली. तो इंदौर में ही मिले होंगे आप लोग. लाइक 1998 में शादी हुई है, तो 1998 में मिले भी होंगे.
Yes, 1998. That is right. You have to write that answer.
इंदौर 1998.
Now your
Now
turn.
my question to you is, which is my most used makeup product? मैं कौन सा मेकअप प्रोडक्ट सबसे ज्यादा यूज करती हूँ? Write it, don't answer it.
मैंने तो एक ही करते हुए देखा है, बहुत ज्यादा तो ये मेकअप करती नहीं है, बट कभी कभार.
I use lipstick the most. मेरे पास लगभग 15 से ज्यादा शेड्स हैं लिपस्टिक के. So
Yes.
yeah, she's right. She's right with this one also. So we both have 7-7.
7 months.
Okay,
बिल्कुल,
your question.
Yes. This is your. Which date I celebrate my birthday according to certificate? Certificates में मेरे date जो date of birth है वो थोड़ा सा change है. Can you tell me which date is there?
So guys, let me tell you, कल इनका सर्टिफिकेट के अकॉर्डिंग बर्थडे है 10th of May. तो wish her, everybody should wish her as happy birthday. So it's 10th of May.
Good. अब मुझे ये ध्यान नहीं था कि कल 10th में है.
So my question to you is, which is my favorite K drama? मेरा favorite Korean drama कौन सा है?
I'm pure Indian. इन चीजों में थोड़ा कम इंटरेस्ट है. Sorry.
So my favorite K drama is What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So yeah, if someone is there out there who watches K drama, तो प्लीज वो देखिए अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो, और जिनने देखा है तो they can relate with me. So I am at 9 points and she is having 10 points. नहीं, I am having 10 and she is having 9 points.
8. Okay, you are in 10
And she is 9. ये 1 मार्क से पीछे चल रही है. तो ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है and this is a bonus question. We both have to ask. इसके 2 मार्क्स हैं. तो ask.
My favorite song. My favorite song.
I have to write it.
Yes, you have to write this.
So it's a song from Lata Mangeshkar or Asha Bhosle, I don't know, and it's like, गाओ.
यूं ही तुम मुझसे बात करती हो.
And I have also written that only. So I am at 11.
That is very melodious song.
Okay, so my last question to you is, which is my favorite song? मेरा favorite गाना कौन सा है? चलो, let's make it simple. She knows कि I listen to English songs, but कुछ songs ऐसे हैं जो हिंदी में are also like one of my favorites and they are in my playlist. So just tell me in both Hindi and English.
No. I can't tell in English, but हिंदी में Hey Google, please open ये दिल तुम बिन लगता नहीं. अब हम क्या करें? जब गूगल को ऑर्डर किया जाता है तो इसी गाने के लिए किया जाता है. इट मे बी ये दिल तुम बिन कहीं लगता नहीं.
She's right. हिंदी में I love the song from Lata Mangeshkar and Mohammed Rafi, I think, and it's ये दिल तुम बिन लगता नहीं. और इंग्लिश में मुझे ब्रूनो मार्स का Talking to the Moon बहुत पसंद है. तो yeah, दी. So she gets the point, but still I am the winner of the game. So I am having 11 points out of 12 and she's having 10 points out of 12.
Means you are
Like so
much better than me.
Yeah. मदर्स डे का इससे अच्छा गिफ्ट क्या हो सकता है कि बेटी माँ को इतना जाने.
दिस इज द मोस्ट प्रेसियस गिफ्ट कि शायद मैं नहीं जान पा रही हूँ. इट मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कल्चर, बिकॉज दे आर फॉन्ड ऑफ कोरियन ड्रामा, इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स, और हम लोग थोड़ा सा पुराने लोग हैं.
नहीं, बट आई राइट पुराना जमाना. Also my
but she knows
heroine,
पुराना
my
जमाना
actress
also.
is favorite.
Yes, she is right. तो शायद इससे अच्छा मदर्स डे गिफ्ट नहीं हो सकता. ये सही बोल रही हैं. तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसा लगा आप बताइए, और प्लीज इस लॉकडाउन टाइम को आप लोग टेंशन से मत लीजिए. यू कैन ऑल्सो एंजॉय लाइक दिस. अपने बच्चों के साथ इसी तरह के क्वेश्चंस बनाइए, आपस में खेलिए, और अपने ये टेंशन जो आजकल तनाव भरा है इसको एक नई उमंग दीजिए. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें कोरोना को हराना है, हमें मदर्स डे भी मनाना है, हमें न्यू ईयर भी मनाना है, और हमें अपनी जिंदगी को खुशगवार बनाना है. Thank you, Asta, to give me your support. Thank you.